Hey, what's going on, people? It's Jason with Dad's That Cook. What's on the menu today? Meatloaf. This is bison and lamb. If you've never done it before, it's unbelievable. I've got my lamb and I've got my bison. I got a pound of each. We're gonna take our brown sugar. We're gonna throw that in there. Panko, or our breadcrumbs, or Worcestershire sauce. About a tablespoon or so of salt, tablespoon or so of pepper, and then we've got about 1/8 of a cup or so of the Italian seasoning. All of that's gonna go right in there. Grab our garlic, stick that in there. Get a half of an onion, stick that in there. We got our one little egg we gotta stick in there too, right? So good, so delicious. And it's something that lasts through the week, depending on how many people you got cooking, right? You know how many people you gotta feed. We're gonna get in here, we're just gonna squish it all around. Mix it as good as you can. You'll be amazed. If you haven't had bison, it's a very lean, high in protein kind of meat. So the lamb, which has a little more fat in it, it's gonna give you that fattiness and it's gonna give you that soft, yummy taste. I made this recipe actually, because I made meatloaf many times. My mom made meatloaf and she would just use regular ground chuck, right? Which a lot of people use. And I happened to have some lamb and some bison laying around one day. I was like, let's give it a try, right? And it came out great. It was super tasty. Kid loved it. So now I got my little tray. We're gonna stick that bad boy in there. Squish it down in there really good. Then we're gonna take our bacon. I'm just gonna cut the ends off. Slap that right on top. It's okay if it gets a little over the edge. All right, there you have it, okay? So now, wash my hands real quick and then we'll throw that in the oven, 365 degrees for an hour, okay? See you later, buddy. Have fun.
Well, we're waiting.
All right, time to pull this guy out. Oh yeah, oh, it smells so good. We'll just set that right there for now. Let it cool down a bit. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks good. That looks tasty. So we're gonna let that cool down for a little bit. We're gonna pull it out, get this juice out of there. It's amazing. Came out perfect. So good, so tasty. You're gonna love it. So I got the recipe up, go check it out. I look forward to seeing you guys next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You wanna see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You wanna win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You wanna get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.